Have you ever wondered how to remove a LinkedIn connection from your LinkedIn profile? Whether it's an annoying colleague or someone that you feel is spying on you, I've got you covered. But before that, hit the like and subscribe button and let's get started.
So the moment you log into your LinkedIn account, you will be on your LinkedIn homepage. I want you to head over to the top and click on My Network over here. The moment you click on My Network, you would want to go to your left and click on Manage My Network and click on Connections. Once you're in My Connections, you can see all of your contact list over here and when you scroll down. Now what you can do is that you can select someone over here. You can go over to the three-dot button just beside the button called Message, click on it, and you can remove your connection right over here. Alternatively, if you already have someone in mind, you can go to the search bar at the top, click on the search bar, and type in their name. So for example, I'll type in Paul, and for the first person over here, I can select the three dots again and I can remove the connection. Just bear in mind that this works specifically for someone whom you already have in mind.